In this video, we are going to learn Gear Mate assembly. Let's start. So here we'll select the assembly and do OK. So here we can browse a base plate, open and click on the screen. So by default, base plate will be fixed. Here it's showing F symbol. It is meant it is fixed, or we can say it is fully defined. Now we have to bring a gear. We'll go to insert. We'll select the gear part, open and click. Now we'll assemble this gear with the base plate. Go to mate option. So here we'll select this face and this face. So both will be get concentric. Do OK. Now this gear can move here. We have to stop that movement. So we'll select this face and this face. That will make coincide. Do OK. Now I have to place one more gear here. For that we press shortcut key S and type copy with mate option. We'll select this gear. Click on the next button. So here the blue thing is the highlight now. That will select on the other side. We'll select this shaft and select this face and do OK. Like this way we place the second gear. Now we can arrange it how we want to keep it. So that adjustment we'll do manually by rotating. Once we done this, now we'll apply a gear mate relation between them. We'll go for mates, go to mechanical mate, and taking a gear mate relationship, we'll select this gear circular face and this gear circular face and do OK. So now gear relation is applied. If you rotate one gear, you can see the second gear will be rotated. Let's go to motion study. Here we'll apply the motor to one gear. I'll select this gear, and here you can define the RPM. Let's keep the 100 RPM by default, and we need to do rotary motion. Do OK. Now we can play this. It'll be run the mechanism. So this is how we have created the gear mate assembly. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.